Hey there, Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. Today you came to the right place if you want to learn, on the other hand, the Chords by Randy Travis. That's coming up. First thing we're going to need in this is a capo placed on the first fret. And the first chord we're going to learn are chord shapes. So the first one is the shape of an E. First finger is going to be here on the G string at the first fret. Even though this is the second fret, this capo is now the nut of the guitar. So this will be 1. Second finger, second fret of the A string. Third finger, D string, second fret. The next chord is an A. We're going to take 3 fingers and cram them all in here to the second fret. First finger is on the D string, second fret. Second finger is on the G string, second fret. And the third finger is here on the B string, second fret. And you're strumming from the A string down. Then we've got a shape of a B7 chord. On this one here, your first finger is going to be on the D string at the first fret. Second finger is on the second fret of the A string. Your third finger's right here on the G string, second fret. And you could use your pinky down here on the high E string. If you're a beginner, you can just use these 3 strings. Don't hit that 6th string. Just play from the 5th string, and you don't want to hit that high E string either. And then we've got the dreaded F sharp bar chord. So I'm going to show you how to make the F sharp bar chord, and then I'll show you an easier way, so stay tuned for that. Take your first finger right here on the second fret from the capo. Cover all the strings. Then your third finger is going to be right here, 4th fret, 5th string. Right below it, 4th fret, 4th string is your pinky, and then your second finger will be right here on the G string, 3rd fret. If that's too much pressure on your fingers, which a lot of beginner guitarists, that's what you're going to find out. That's a hard chord to play, but I've got an easier F shape. But hang on, let me show you the strumming pattern we're going to use, which is down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. By the way, if you're liking this kind of lesson where I show you the chords and that, I've got a complete guitar course over at YourGuitarGuide.com. Check that out. And there's a link in the description to get the tab sheet for this lesson. It's the first link. So on this F chord, instead of playing this bar chord, we can we're still on the 2nd fret, like this. So your first finger is going to be on the first 2 strings, the B and E string. 2nd finger on the 3rd string at the 3rd fret. And the 3rd finger is on the 4th fret on the D string. We're only going to strum from the 4th string down. So there's basically 2 parts. We've got a verse and a chorus. That was the verse, so it starts at E. And then goes to A. Back to E. D. E, A, F, back to B. Then the second part of the song is the chorus, and it is A. On the other hand, E, B, E, A, E, B, and it goes back into the verse, and at the end of it we've got an E, so it goes E, B, E. Don't forget to watch that video next.